How to make game activity show on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make game activity show on Discord. To make a game activity show on Discord, you need to enable the feature that detects what game you are playing and optionally set up custom race presence if you are a developer. For the regular users, you will need to simply enable game activity status. For that, you will need to first go to the official website of Discord. Open any web browser of your choice on your device. And once you open it, in the search bar here type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here at the top right, you will be able to locate Open Discord button. Simply click on it and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged into your Discord account, you will land on this home page. Here, now you will need to go to the user settings. You'll be able to see this option at the bottom left corner of your screen at the left side. Once you locate the gear icon or the user settings icon, simply click on it. And then you will be taken to this page. Now, from the left side bar of this page, you will need to scroll down and find Activity Privacy option. You will be able to see this option on your activity setting. Once you locate this Activity Privacy, simply click on it. And inside it, look for the activity status where it says share your detected activities with others. Once you find it, you'll need to simply click on the toggle button at the right side of this option to enable it. Once you enable it, this allows Discord to detect and show the game you are playing. If the Discord recognizes your game, it will show it automatically in your profile in the status by stating playing a certain game. So this is how you can make game activity show on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.